Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the grille on your BMW 1 Series F40. This is a straightforward upgrade that can significantly enhance your car's appearance. Before starting, ensure you have the right tools, including Torx screwdrivers, specifically T25 and T30 sizes, and a non-marring plastic pry tool. Begin by opening your hood and carefully removing the long rubber weather strip that runs along the top of the bumper. Next, you'll need to loosen the top of the front bumper to gain access. Remove the several Torx screws positioned along the top edge of the bumper. Additionally, you might find 4 or 5 screws within the wheel arch on one side. Remove these to allow for more flexibility. With these screws out, gently pull the bumper forward just enough to create a small gap. This space is vital for reaching the grille's securing tabs. Now it's time to detach the old grille. Using your plastic pry tool or a hook tool, carefully reach behind the grille. You'll find approximately 8 clips securing each grille. The top clips generally require a downward push, the bottom ones an upward push, and the side clips need to be pushed inward. Work slowly and methodically around the entire perimeter of both grilles until all the clips are released and the old grilles come free. Installing your new grille is much simpler than removal. Carefully align the tabs on the new grille with the slots in the bumper opening. Once aligned, firmly push the grille into place until you hear each tab click securely. Double-check that all clips are fully engaged for a snug fit. Finally, reinstall all the bumper screws you removed earlier, and then replace the rubber weather strip along the top edge. Your new grille is now installed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.